ready yet.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today, yes, I'm in my robe. I'm just feeling comfortable, and why not? Today we're going to be talking about self-manifestation and goals and achievements and all of that for the year of 2019. It's very important to set goals. I'm not really like a motivational speaker, but people say I motivate them. People motivate me. Why not? Why not share with you guys my vision board? Okay, I was supposed to do this weeks ago because I'm doing it now. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I do everything from hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. I talk about women's health, sexual videos. Oh, listen, it goes on and on. Hot topics. Just check all the videos in my playlist and you guys will see it's a video for everyone. But on a more motivational tip, this video is definitely important. I've seen a lot of people was doing it or putting theirs out the first month of the year, January. I didn't. I was procrastinating, and don't judge me because I do have everything in black and white. I work in the office, so I don't really get color ink. I don't get color ink, and listen, I'm not going to spend no extra money on no color ink. So y'all could come at me all y'all want. I'm old-fashioned. I'm old school. I don't listen. You get the picture. You gonna see, and if you can't see, I'll explain it to you. This is my vision board, okay? And it's not big. It's not too fashionable. It's not all of that. But this is basically my vision board right here. Okay, as you guys can see, this is it. And I did get this poster board from, I got this poster board from Family Dollar. It did come with the frame like this. So it came with this nice black and white, black and gold frame. Okay, with nice metallic colors to it. And it was only $1. And all you really need is a poster board, some scissors, and whatever pictures that you choose, and some glue, a glue stick, or tape even. You don't really need much. You want to put this up in a place in your room where you're always going to see it. It's always going to be noticeable, and as soon as you wake up, you see it. Every day when you come in your room, you're going to see it. And that's me. And a few of these things on here I can actually check off, you know, so I'm excited. I noticed once I finished, it was a few things that were missing on here, but it's okay. They're still in my head. They're still in my journal. Why do you want to do a vision board? I feel like this, for me, when I speak things into existence, when I post something, it's like I see it every day. And it's going to be a chance where you're not going to get everything done. You're not going to be able to meet all the goals on your vision board. But it's okay as long as you know that you're working toward it. Don't be so hard on yourself, you know. The first thing, okay, is in this corner here. It is a picture of an apartment, okay. So this is like a studio apartment. You kind of see basically the whole apartment. You see the kitchen area. You see probably a little day area. You see a bed and a dresser. So this really implicates, or this symbolizes that this year I do want to get my own apartment. I do want to move out, and I plan to do that this year. So this is basically at the top because this is the most important to me. Okay, like it's nothing like having your own place. Like this is basically what I want and need. Okay, so I've been working toward that already, and I've seen some good results. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working at it, and this will be the year. Okay, this here is a female with a suitcase, and she's traveling alone. So I do want to definitely travel more this year, either it be by myself or with friends. So as you guys can see, it's two girls here with suitcases, and it's one girl with one suitcase. So I'm like, I want to travel more regardless of who it's with or how many people it's with. I want to travel more, which I plan to do, guys. I just got my I just did the process for my passport. I paid for the passport, so I'm just gonna wait a month, and once it gets here I will be so excited. And yeah, I have trips booked already, so I'm so excited. It doesn't have to be far places, it can be somewhere local. I just want to travel more, do things more, get out the house more, you know. So definitely look out for more vlogs. And here I want to go to more panels, more beauty panels, beauty events, fashion events, stuff like that, you know. I want to go to more women empowerment and business, women in business events and so have you. This over here is a picture of a aquarium. Okay, it's people at an aquarium. I've always wanted to go to an aquarium, especially in Georgia, Atlanta. I want to go so bad. So if I can go to that one, okay, but I want to go to some type of aquarium. I know they have one in Brooklyn, so I might end up going to that one. But when I go on vacation in July, I think they have an aquarium, so I will be going there. I love, like, you guys don't know, I'm an Aquarius, so I love water. I love creatures in the water. I'm just scared, I can't swim, but I want to go and swim with the dolphins and stuff like that. So this right here, I felt like it was like comical for me. Everyone who knows me knows I don't like to drive. I don't like driving. I don't like, it's not that I don't like it. I'm scared of cars. I'm scared of driving. I've been in car accidents, so it's like I don't like it. Driving scares me, so I don't really, you know, once I'm ready, like my mother always told me, once I'm ready, then I can go get my license, but I can't do it for other people. So this was in the movie Superbad, where he had like a fake driver license, and it said he was in Hawaii when he wasn't. But basically this is me. This for me is an inside joke, so it symbolizes, you know, me getting my license this year. So hopefully I will get my license this year. I'm planning on it, and I would just make sure I start doing the classes probably like in August or something, or September, because I have trips coming up and I want to make sure that I'm taking the classes back to back and not months apart, you know. So yes, this is basically symbolizes my passport as well as my driver license. I'll move back down here. So this is basically for me as a YouTuber, as an influencer. I want more paid sponsorships. Okay, I need more paid sponsorships. I've been doing so good with my sponsored videos. I don't know if you guys noticed, and but I always give my honest opinion. Like, I'm an honest YouTuber, and I just want more paid sponsorships. You know, a lot of us YouTubers, we get paid from doing sponsored. Not all the time. I know I don't. I am a smaller YouTuber, and I'm starting to grow my brand, but I do want to get more paid sponsorships. That's like a must for me. Like, you know, I have a job, so I don't need more paid sponsorships, but who doesn't want it? Come on, you have to know your worth. I work hard. You come on, okay? So yes, I want more paid sponsorships, which are coming in. I definitely want peace. I need peace in my life, okay? For the beginning of this year, I have not been in peace. I tried, but it's like I have not been in peace, and I just want peace in my life, you know. As we speak, just to let you guys know, I'm single. I'm not in a relationship anymore. That relationship was not peaceful at all, and it was bringing me down. I started to not record as much as I wanted to. I wasn't recording as much as I wanted to. I don't know, it was just too much stress, too much everything. And I just want to say, like, don't settle for no bullshit ass relationship. I know some people don't want to be alone, but don't settle for no relationship that's not healthy. That's toxic. Okay? Don't. It's not worth it. Once you see signs of someone not being all there or fucking controlling, leave. Don't nobody have time for that, okay? I just want peace in my life. I was peaceful when I was single, and that's how it's gonna be. I don't have time for no bullshit. Okay, back to the vision board. Okay, so yes, I want more peace. I do have the peace sign right here. I was running out of space, so as you guys can see, it starts to get a little sloppy, but that's okay. Okay, so happiness. I just want a happiness in my life. I'm gonna get my happiness back, but yes, once like leaving a draining relationship has really brought my happiness down. But I'm getting my happiness back, and that's all. I'm just gonna pray about it and I'll move on, you know. But yes, I want more happiness. I do want to get into doing more people's makeup. Like I was doing a few faces last year, but I do want to get into doing more faces. So I'm thinking about doing like a prom special or something in that sort. Okay, and I do want to find true love. I want love. I love myself, but I do want to find true love. But I'm just gonna let it come to me. I'm not gonna rush whatever. This is a picture of Taylor May Jane. She's on YouTube and Instagram. Her name is Taylor May Jane, and she's just bomb. So this symbolizes like I just want to get better at my makeup. You know, I want to just get better to the point where I can do a celebrity's face or whatever. I want to get better. Some of you think I'm good at my makeup already, but I do want to get better at it. You can always get better at something. Yay guys, I just made it to 5K subscribers and counting, but I do want to make it to 10K by the end of this year, December. I would love to make it to 10K, so I am trying my hardest to at least make it by 10K this year. This symbolizes I want to save more. Okay, it's just someone putting money, a whole bunch of money into a jar. I want to save more. I've started to save. It's really hard for me to save, but I've been saving. I have been saving, putting it into an account that I can't touch. That's me. I've been saving. This here, like I spoke about earlier, I do want to go to more fashion events, plus size fashion events. I couldn't find a black model, so I had to go with this, but she's beautiful, she's bomb, and she's plus size. So I do want to go to more fashion events. I do want to walk in more fashion events and stuff like that. This is basically, I want more hair. These are bundles. I want more hair sponsorships, hair connections, and I do want to meditate more. This is the last of the vision board. I do want to meditate, find my inner self and whatever. I just want to meditate and woosah, you know. Sometimes you can become very angry. Meditating is good for you. I do want to do yoga. Guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to know more about me, because it's okay to say you're not okay. And a few months ago I wasn't okay. I'm doing good, I'm doing well, but I'm just gonna pray more that I get out of this aftermath after a not so good relationship. I'm not trying to be that YouTuber where, you know, at the end of the day, I'm human. Okay, so you guys can see that I've had an ex on my channel before. It's just, I don't know, my love life is always a roller coaster. I'm so excited. I cannot wait until I'm actually gonna do a follow-up in December to see how many of my goals that I knocked off that I achieved, so you guys can kind of like follow my journey with life and everything like that. So I wish you all a very happy new year. Okay, I know it's March, but I wish you all the rest of the year a prosperous year. Keep at it. If you're a YouTuber, keep at it. Keep putting out videos, stay consistent in whatever you're doing, and just I wish you all happiness, love, and peace. Okay, that's what's important. Stress can kill you. Always remember that stress can kill you. So yes, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.
Love yourself, fool.
Watch them dirty wine, red body set, like I left the crime. Bitch, I roll even on half time. Wait, I'm getting all this cream. I think she wanna ice me. A bitch could be a slime, then do you grimy? Yeah, and if you don't know, I'm getting dough, nigga. Wait, yeah, it's simple. Yeah, it's simple. Wait, it's simple. Cause bitch, I'm about my business, killing them. Nigga, can you be be my witness. God flow every day like it's Christmas. You're a